The apocalypse.
One, two, three.
Good morning, Baker Bobcat.
Robin A. Bobcat here.
Yes, Albie's here.
Here with the news at Baker Middle School on Wednesday, March 11th, 2020. And here we go. Let's start off with sports. Today is a big day at Baker. The campus will be bustling because we have a home volleyball game and a home wrestling match, the last match of the year. So come on out and support the Bobcats. Remember, if you are coming to the events, you need to come and watch the events. It's not the place to just hang out and whatever. You can do that anywhere. So you do have to watch the game, and you have to be good sports, of course. When the girls are serving in volleyball, you are not allowed to talk. We like to be quiet and good sports so they can serve and focus and all that stuff. And if you do that, you will be removed from the game and sent home. So I hate to be bearer of bad news, but we want you to come out and be a positive supporters, fill the stands, but be polite, of course.
Yes.
And what happened yesterday?
The volleyball news from yesterday.
Oh, yes.
The 8th grade Lady Bobcats were defeated by the Smith Knights last night. Top plays in the match include big blocks and hits by Faith, excellent serving by Treyana and Anya, solid setting by Issa and Sam, and consistent passing by Anya, Lauren, Sophie, and Treyana. So great job. Also, the book drive will run till Friday. It began yesterday, so remember you can drop off your books in the flag hallway before school. Every 3 middle grade books that you bring in get your raffle ticket to win gift cards and books.
Oh, yes, we have to get our books back there piled up and brought in.
To win some gift cards.
Yes.
And 8th graders, remember to bring in $10 for your 8th grade party. Take them into the office. And also remember that your high school scheduling sheets are due by March 24th to your science teachers, so you have to turn them in.
Yes. 8th grade stuff coming up. Spring is coming. Also, 8th grade interviews are, we have the date. It's May 28th is the 8th grade interview date. So start thinking about that. And today is a Weebly Wednesday. We'll end with a Weebly video, but to remind you to keep adding things from your classes onto your Weebly so you can present them at the interviews. May 28th. Mark that on your iPad calendar.
And also Friday is the last day for Strawberry Madness Week 2. You have to vote for the best adventure, fantasy, or sci-fi. You gotta get your votes in quickly.
Yes, voting is happening.
The QR code is on the Baker website. Just scroll down on the homepage and you'll see it. And for all the Baker buddies, make sure you guys are checking Schoology because there'll be a meeting coming up, and there are club pictures tomorrow.
Oh yes, all the clubs, all of the different clubs and different things.
Like morning club.
Tomorrow will be a lot of announcements. They'll be calling people down for pictures. So dress nicely. You may be in a group picture. Of course, everyone at Baker is involved in something. So everyone will probably be taking a picture at some time.
Yes.
And yes, if you have a group shirt, wear it.
And don't forget the Pennies for Patients. It ends next Friday, so bring money into your 4th hour.
Of course. Keep bringing in that money to reach our $5,000 goal.
And last but not least, Celebration of Learning. All the applications are due by March 31st. So if you're interested, scan the QR code. It should just be in the hallways.
Yes, it's all over the hallways. Show what you've learned. Show a cool skill that you've learned. Okay, is that it, Narita?
That is it.
Okay, well then we will end with, like I said, a Weebly Wednesday video to help you with your Weebly. This was created by Mr. Quinn's digital apps classes last semester, so enjoy and hopefully learn something, and we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow is parent-teacher conferences.
Oh yes, be good
Remind
children.
your parents to come in and hear all the good things about you from your teacher. So tomorrow night, after school, parent conferences. So that's it. All right, have a wonderful Wednesday.
Have a wonderful Weebly Wednesday, everyone.
Bye, hi, Pa.
Hi, I'm Jenny Gadasuk and this is Kate Wilson, and we are going to show you how to put a video into Weebly.
Step 1 is to log into your Weebly with your username, not your email address, unlike the app says. So you're going to put user, and then the password, it's going to be capital EMS, and then whatever your ID is.
After you are done logging in, go to your website and click Edit Site. Then click on the page you want to add your video to.
Then you're going to want to click the plus sign in the corner.
Then scroll down until you see HD video.
Hold down on the video and drag it where you want to drop it.
Make sure the video is in camera roll. If it won't load, exit and retry adding the video.
Add a title the same way you added a video.
Add a caption the same way you did the title and the video.
You're then going to want to publish your site. The password to see your website is going to be all lowercase Bobcats.